Welcome or welcome back to Artsy Island Girl Jamaican Vlogs. I'm Artsy. Let's get straight into it. So, Prime Minister Andrew Holness reaffirms the government's dedication to fast-tracking the $274 million Montego Bay Perimeter Road project and several other highway initiatives in anticipation of school reopening, which took place this Monday. He emphasized that no effort will be spared to expedite these critical projects. Look here, there's a lot of noise in the background, but me have to record the video, so don't pay it any mind. Holness acknowledges the lengthy 5-year process from conception to construction, but emphasizes the government's commitment to addressing current issues. So, how is it progressing so far? Well, I showed you guys already that they're currently clearing land in Irwin, Green Pond. I'm not sure Green Pond yet. According to Deputy Prime Minister Dr. Horace Chang, the preliminary work started since the project's announcement last year, such as acquiring all the property, relocating light posts and utility posts. He also confirms that pilling work for a 180-meter bridge at the Barnett River Gully is currently underway and anticipates significant progress over the next 6 months, aiming for project completion by the end of 2025. I want to think. Let's think they're going to make it to 2025 or it's going to be later than that. We're almost at the end of 2023, so that's 2 years from now. I don't know. Want to think. Let me know in the comments. Number 2, in line with growing number of traffic signals sprouting in and around Montego Bay, the police are considering installing surveillance cameras at key intersections to boost order and crime fighting efforts. Anyways, Dr. Horace Chang, Minister of National Security, shared this during the Norwood Street lighting launch, indicating that a police-led camera installation would wrap up within a year. Now, he refrained from specifying any locations, of course, because if people know where some naughty people might knock it down, but emphasized their strategic placements. While some of Montego Bay's CCTV units are in despair, others have greatly aided crime solving. Oh, good to know. To maintain street order and facilitate traffic flow, 4 traffic lights have been activated in Middle Road in Norwood and other sections. I mentioned these new traffic lights, I think, in my last video. Not this Sunday. I've never put up no video this Sunday. The Sunday before. I'm not going over them right now. You can watch that video if you want to learn more about that. Now, he also explained that this initiative began last fiscal year, aiming to provide an alternative route to Montego Bay through Howard Cook. Despite ongoing work on the perimeter road, immediate traffic issues must be addressed. Completion and drivability of the perimeter road are still 30 months away. Montego Bay's congestion significantly impacts productivity and discomforts residents, acknowledged Chang. Look here, it's not only in Montego Bay, it's communities outside of Montego Bay, the whole of St. James. Most of our communities' roads are in horrible condition. So if you really want to help with productivity, you need to fix them the road too. Because the bad road not only destroying vehicles, causing accidents, but it cause people feel late for work. Because there's whole heap of congestion because the people have to drive slow because of all of the potholes. Alright? So need to fix those roads. Yeah, some money like the money wanna use for pay SSL. Could have probably use that to fix the roads them, or at least fix the police stations, because the police station on Barney Street look horrible on the outside. I've not been on the inside, but I've heard stories on the inside. Or at least pay the teachers them. That pay teacher them more, yeah. But anyways, that's it for this week. Thank you for listening. Let me know what you think in the comments. Bye.